Yes, family, we're right back. And if you hear anything beside my crooked voice, it's my fan, like a whoo in the background. So, we're gonna fry. So you wanna get your oil, your skillet, starting. You're gonna put amount, it's not a deep frying, so you're gonna cover your pot. Or your frying pan, which should be. This is optional. Put a peg of garlic and a little piece of rosemary just to flavor the oil. And I have here this all clean, so we want to turn down our stove to the lowest because we're gonna do a little exercise, so we don't want to be turn. Hold on, let me turn off this fan here, fam. Okay, so we're gonna look at our dough now after 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's soft, it's mild, it's workable. Okay, this is what it should look like, real workable. So now you're gonna need to flour your surface slightly. You're gonna need your rolling pin, and to the amount of dough, what I want to show you first is that you can make it in mini rotis and fry it. And I'm gonna show you how you can make a big roti and how much you can shape it into different shapes and fry it. So you're gonna make a mini roti. So you wanna get both sides with the flour and you wanna roll it. Okay? We're gonna turn up our flame. So you want to get this mini one because we don't you don't want to do it too big. Okay? So but because remember when it fry, you know, the baking powder is in there, so it's gonna come up. You'll see it's gonna come up double, like not really double, but oop. We'll go again. Something happened with the flour. Not a problem, we can always correct this. So we have our oil there being heated, and we get out the flavor out of our garlic and out of the rosemary. Okay? So this is a mini one. I'm gonna get some more flour. Whoops, too much. Too much. Way too much. So we're gonna put the rest of the dough in 2 parts. And you'll have a mess, fam. You'll have a mess. So we get out the flavor out of our oil. So we're taking out these because we don't want them to burn. Set your heat at medium. And you're gonna put in this one. So you have to watch it. Now it smells, the rosemary and the thing smells so nice. Now we're gonna make a regular roti. You don't want it too high because it fries easily. So we're gonna make, and let me tell you, I'm not good at roti. So please just do, if you can do your roti better than I do, I'm just showing you something. You please do. And look at this. It's ready to turn. Because you know roti make easily. Right? So when you turn it, you just sort of mash it out like that. Alright. So we have a bigger one here. So what I would proceed to do now is to get like few triangles out of it. You want a sharp knife. Because you know pastry knife must be sharp. Eh? So you put it in like this. And you get a few triangles out. So I always shape them like that. Getting triangles. Getting them in shapes. But if you want to make the small mini ones, but I always do it like this. So I just showed you this one. But this is my main shape. The triangle shape. And look at it. It fries easily. So you want to have here your plate with your paper towel, and you want to have a rack. Okay, so we can, now that we are focusing on it, we can turn the heat a bit up. Yeah, so we're gonna fry off these. Look at it. You don't burst it in, you just turn it over like this. And you don't want them getting burned. You just want them coming with a nice slight, because you know roti and nothing to burn up and black and stuff. You understand? So you just, each time you turn it, you press it down to get out that extra hair. So we're gonna finish frying off these, and when you come back, you'll see them be properly fried and drained on top of this rack with a paper towel underneath catching the grease. So you'll see what they look like. I'll break it, show you the texture and the color it is supposed to have. Okay, y'all?